Main character energy, 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 energy. I look good, I look good. Like I should, like I should, like I should. Main character energy, 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 energy. Main character energy, 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 energy. All right, let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck is going on. Gratitude, hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I am Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. All right. It's your story. I'm just a messenger to bring a little bit of clarity. You get what I'm saying? Gratitude for uh sharing to a friend, the sharing to a friend, and that sharing to a friend. I appreciate your comments as well. I love each and every one of you. Mwah. Let's go ahead and get into it. What is anchoring this reading though? I don't want to waste any more time. I already did a little entertainment in the beginning. What is that? Divinely protected. Okay. It like somebody tried attempted to do some dark magic. So let's go ahead and clarify this divinely protected, you guys, to see what the heck is going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What's going on with divinely protected? What y'all got going on? What's going on? Clarify divinely protected, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know? It's like somebody attempted to do some sort of binding. I don't know. This could be someone that you was in a commitment with or connection with. Number 34 could be significant. They try to place you in some sort of, place you in or create some sort of binding agreement between the two of you. This person tried to bind you guys. Mmm. People out here, they out here being bold from what I could see here. Some of these cards are, yeah, people out here being bold. Let's go ahead and clarify this commitment. What do you mean by that? Let me see what's on the bottom of the deck. I'm saying relax. Oh, relaxation. Number 69 is definitely out here. Spirit said you have nothing to worry about, especially in regards to whoever this person is that's trying to create this contract or bind you in some form of fashion, utilizing black magic. Take it easy. Call your energy back. Take your salt bath. Cleanse yourself. You divinely protected. Let's go and clarify commitment. Commitment. What's going on? I'm seeing emotional pain. All right. Clarify this commitment. What do we need to know in regards to commitment? Ooh, they threw the whole daggone deck out. I got time for that. What's going on in regards to commitment, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? I just need one more, please. Okay. Gratitude. I appreciate you. All right, so I'm speaking to a divine feminine energy out here. Number 2 could definitely be significant, but I am definitely seeing an energy of emotional pain. Number 32, I'm seeing moving on. And I'm seeing distant future. So it seems like there may be some sort of energy of this person might be creating or causing some sort of emotional pain, utilizing this emotional pain to create some sort of to bind you two together, utilizing trauma or some sort of emotion. I see you guys moving on. I'm seeing you guys moving on. There's energy of you guys possibly on some sort of path, on some sort of journey. Is this the Justice card down here? Oh no. Wait a minute. I think I just seen it. Yeah. I know I seen it. Feel like things gonna end up working in your favor. As I stated before, you are definitely divinely protected. Now, maybe in the past you may have had strong feelings for whoever this person is. I'm definitely seeing an energy of you being having this cloud of emotion, possibly feeling heartbroken or experiencing some sort of heartbreak with in regards to whoever this person is. But you're in the present energy of focusing on yourself, moving on, and protecting yourself spiritually. Purple amethyst may be significant, or rose. I don't know why I was going to say rose gold, pink amethyst. Rose quartz may be significant as well. Love. Focusing on self-love is what I'm seeing here. Someone may possibly have locks in their hair, brown hair. Red might be significant as well. Red streaks. And I'm definitely seeing you're on some sort of path, possibly focusing on your distant future, focusing on happiness, freedom, joy, peace. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot. As soon as I split the deck, I seen the devil. Way down we go. Oh, I don't know what the words. Way down we go. Oh, I don't know what made me hit. I heard that song. Break up. Severance of ties. That's crazy that both of these coming out like this. So it's definitely talking about some sort of betrayal, some sort of heartbreak, or something like that. Clarify this emotional pain for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know? All right, clarify this emotional pain. I feel like whoever you are, you're definitely spiritual. You're coming out as the high priestess, utilizing divination in some form of fashion, reading tarot. All right. It looks like you guys do receive spiritual insight. All right. Your energy comes off very mysterious as well. Emotional pain, but I'm seeing you're protected. I just seen the Seven of Wands. There's energy of you guys having boundaries or setting some sort of boundaries as well, especially when it comes to you and your energy is what I'm seeing here. Okay. I'm also seeing you receiving unexpected finances, some sort of windfall, large lump sum of money, possibly a deed or some sort of life insurance or something like that. But it's coupled here with the Seven of Swords. It looked like there was some sort of deceit here, lies. Somebody might even stole from you. I'm seeing an energy of dishonesty. I feel like whoever this person is may be in this energy of possibly juggling financially, or put you in a situation where you are juggling financially with this Two of Pentacles, from what I'm seeing here. Okay. I'm seeing ups and downs, especially when it comes to finances. All right. Clarify this moving on. It seems like again there is definitely motion here. I'm seeing you guys moving on. Judgment being called in a situation where you guys are receiving some sort of renewal. Okay. Yeah, it's like you're receiving some sort of renewal or something like that. I'm seeing that you're making some sort of mandatory choice that change your life. I'm speaking to an Empress energy is what I'm seeing here. Now, with this moving on energy, I'm definitely seeing the devil came out. The devil definitely came out again. So it seems like there is someone that may have some sort of obsession or addiction with you. Maybe going through a lot of mental health issues and things like that. And I feel like this person is definitely addicted to you, your energy, your likeness. But here's the catcher. Whoever this person is someone that is a backstabber. They're betrayal. I'm seeing energy of being an enemy, someone that's bitter, that doesn't want to see you succeed. They don't want to see you happy. This is the energy of someone that will try to curse things or try to bring some sort of collapse to something that you are trying to build. Yeah, this person is very controlling. They're very possessive. They want to hold on. And I'm saying like this person dealing with their own financial issues. They stole from you, taken from you in some form of fashion, like I said, financially, in a physical, or they were taken from your abundance energetically in the spirit. And they're still trying to hold on to you as you're trying to move on and sever ties from this person. And if it's not just simply them, they may possibly even have some sort of entity attachment. Some sort of entity may be attached to them. But what I'm seeing here, you guys could possibly have been married. You guys could possibly have children together or something like that. Long-term relationship. But I'm seeing the Justice card came out in this deck too. It looks like things end up working in your favor. I'm seeing that there is balance coming to the situation. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone being held accountable for their actions. I'm seeing consequences for their actions. Okay, all right. What's wrong going to be have to be made right is what I'm seeing here. A cause and effect. There. Okay, in the distant future. I heard dear future, so somebody might be writing in journals or something like that, possibly doing a 369 method in regards to writing something, manifesting things or something in their book, writing letters to yourself even. But clarifying this distant future, I'm seeing you having a lot of options, choices, possibilities, opportunities, decisions. I'm seeing dreams coming true. Okay. And I'm seeing you're going to find it difficult on what choice or decision to make. Okay. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm also seeing there's an energy of some sort of painful choice. At one point in time, you possibly thought it was a painful choice or a difficult decision to make to leave this person behind, but now I'm seeing you're in the energy of letting go of the past, focusing on the future. There's an energy of maturing, growing, leaving, not coming back. Yep, Two of Wands. This is a choice. It's a decision that you definitely made. There's an energy of the grass being greener on the side. You made a decision. Is what I'm saying here. I feel like you leaving whoever this person is that tell a lot of lies. This person is devious, a liar. Their main focus is themselves. They're self-promoting themselves. So it seems like they want to use you to level them up or something like that. They don't want to do the work. They want to use your energy, use your likeness. A liar or devious person came out as a fire sign in reverse. Aries could be significant. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right. And I'm seeing you guys after letting this person go. I'm seeing unexpected sources of money or income comes in. It seems like over a period of time. So it seems like divine timing is definitely at play. Yep, we have the hangman out here, which is also like getting you out of a situation where you possibly felt trapped or confined, where you have gained some sort of enlightenment and finally let go and view things exactly for what it is. And as I stated before, when I seen that, when I heard dear future or something like that, I definitely seen you guys manifesting something, writing something down. You're definitely a powerful manifester. You coming out as the wounded warrior. You got the Most High here. All right. I'm seeing there's an energy of you overcoming or learning from your past. Okay. You guys are getting good news. What's going on? Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Yeah, you guys are definitely getting good news, and they have something especially to do with your stability. I feel like whoever this person is you were connected to possibly were in competition with you. You were possibly faithful to whoever this person is, but they weren't faithful to you. But I'm seeing them wanting to communicate. There's an energy of communication. Good news. I don't know if this is by text, phone call, or email, but I am seeing independent wealth here. There's an energy of somebody that wants to work with you. Um, there's an energy of assistance, support, sharing, kindness, wealth, prosperity as you guys continue to move forward. The Most High is going to put somebody in your path that's going to assist you with winning, where you're having some sort of advantage. There's the energy of some sort of achievement, is what I'm seeing here as you take a leap of faith in a different direction. All right, there's an energy of freedom here. Okay, starting some sort of new beginning. All right, anything else? And leaving someone out in the cold. It's like you leaving behind as well some sort of hardship. All right, you leaving lack behind, a period of time where you possibly felt like you were going through some sort of bad luck or financial issues or some sort of loss. I'm also seeing an energy of you guys having someone wanting to get to know you. Someone new is what I'm seeing here, wanting a connection with you. You're focusing on your finances. All right. Some of you guys may be financially self-employed or financially stable, of course, but I'm seeing like possibly, I don't know, busy at work, building, mastering. All right. We have an air sign out here, strong Libra energy over here, trying to extend some. Yep. I'm seeing a new beginning, new romance. Love, happiness. There's energy of celebration. We have the temperance angel out here which is creating balance. I'm seeing it definitely requires some sort of patience or peace. Peace and patience to be in alignment with whoever this person is. It seems like this person is someone that's very structured, very intelligent. All right. Seeing things from a higher perspective. All right. Very discerning. Very analytical. This might be somebody that might be in law enforcement or something like that, or a judge or something like that. I'm seeing somebody in regret. There's another person in your energy that tried to bind you. They're going to be in regret. There's an energy of fear, anxiety, terror, trying to extend some sort of offer out of regret and you refusing that offer and them going through a tower moment. Yeah, because of you. Yep. This person don't want to see you happy. They experience a tower moment because they see your wishes coming true and you're happy. There's an energy of positivity, satisfaction, and success and abundance around you, and they don't like that. I could be speaking to an earth sign as well. Capricorn towards Virgo. This person self-sabotaged themselves out of your connection with you from what I'm seeing here. This person pushed you into this energy of solitude where you had to go through that you went through self-reflection. It was many a nights that you may have lost out on sleep, experienced a lot of stress, anxiety, and fear, and feeling overwhelmed. And now they are also feeling that way. I see the wheel definitely turning in your favor. There's energy of fate at play, destiny, good karma. We got the chariot here where there's a victory here where you're overcoming a lot of obstacles. Again, it speaks about success. And I'm seeing someone trying to cause conflict to keep you from getting to your divine masculine or being with your divine masculine. That's what I'm seeing here, this emperor energy. Anything else? Anything else? You're protected. Seven of Wands, there's the energy of you guys having boundaries set. There's energy of you standing your ground, standing up for what you believe in. This is something that you actually really want. I'm seeing you determined to have that. Okay. Anything else? I'm seeing an energy of someone feeling overburdened. Yeah, maybe this person trying to create a stressful situation or a hostile situation between the two of you. And you and the air sign is definitely matching one another. Queen of Swords energy out here. Four Wands, moving on to calmer waters. I'm seeing an energy of you guys traveling and moving and someone feeling left out in the cold, unwelcome, experiencing some sort of loss, sadness, grief, and despair, feeling abandoned. Yep. Ace of Swords out here clarifying that. Definitely feeling abandoned. This person going to reach out to you, text message, phone call, and let you know that I see you. They're gonna be talking about how they see you over there celebrating and happy, and somebody and you cheering. There's a wedding or something like that, some sort of festivity that they're gonna see, because things are definitely coming into fruition for you. That's what I'm saying here. It's talking about your hard work paying off, your manifestations coming into fruition. There's an energy of growth here for you guys, and the Most High is backing all of this. That's what I'm saying here. Yep, I'm definitely seeing an energy of earthly, solid beginnings. Okay, I'm seeing an increase in income. All right, but yeah, there's definitely you setting goals, having solid beginning. I'm seeing you here with your soulmate, Lover's card, soulmate, kindred spirit. All right, I'm seeing a perfect union, some sort of a relationship, partnership, romance, shared values, and it's strong too. With the strength card, a very strong connection. That's what I'm seeing here, and I'm showing a closing of a cycle. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.